Hi, music friends. Welcome to another Thankful Thursday. This is week 2. Last week, we learned a song called Mahalo. And mahalo is the Hawaiian word for thank you. And today, I'd like to teach you a song that is in another language as well. This song is called Three Little Birds. But we're going to sing it in Spanish. And I know we have some Spanish-speaking Evergreen students, so this is going to be a fun song for them because this is going to be in their language. So it's about 1, 2, 3, 3 little birds. Do you know how to count to 3 in Spanish? 1, 2, 3. 3 pajaritos. 3 little birds. Cantan así. Sing like this. And in this song, the bird song that they sing goes pío, pío, pío. Cantan así. Sing like this. They sing like this. So, can we try those words? I'll say it first, and then you say it back. 1, 2, 3. 3 pajaritos. Cantan así. Pío, pío, pío. Cantan así. All right, so I'm going to get my guitar out here. And this is an echo song. So I'll sing it, and then you sing it back. Let's sing it in English first, okay? So we know what we're singing about. My turn first, then you sing after me. You ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 little birds. 3 little birds. Sing like this. Sing like this. Pío, pío, pío. Pío, pío, pío. Sing like this. Sing like this. Oh, but let's try it in Spanish. Are you ready? I'll sing first, then you sing after me. 1, 2, 3. 3 pajaritos, 3 pajaritos, cantan así, cantan así. Pío, 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 cantan así, cantan así. Can we go a little faster? All right, let's do it in English one more time. You ready? Now, I'm not gonna sing afterwards. You're gonna do the echo part all by yourself. You ready? Let's sing about 3 little birds. 1, 2, 3. 3 little birds. Sing like this. Pío, pío, pío. Sing like this. All right, let's try it in Spanish. Ready? Here we go. My turn. 1, 2, 3. 3 pajaritos, 3 pajaritos, cantan así, cantan así. Pío, 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 cantan así, cantan así. 3 little birds. 1, 2, and 3. 3 little birds. I hope you enjoyed this song and sing it along anytime you want. Doesn't have to be on Thursday. Bye-bye, music friends.